Hello everyone, this is a problem from statistical mechanics. Here, a two-level system of n equal to n1 plus n2 particles is distributed among two eigenstate 1 and 2 with eigenenergies E1 and E2 respectively. The system is in contact with heat reservoir at temperature T. So, if a single quantum emission into the reservoir occurs, population changes from n2 to n2 minus 1 and n1 to n1 plus 1 take place in the system. So for n1 greater than equal to 1 and n2 greater than equal to 1, obtain the expression for entropy change of the two-level system, the reservoir, and derive the Boltzmann relation for the ratio n1 by n2. So here there is a two-level system. This is 1 eigenstate 1, so let it be 2, this is 1, let it be 1, and its energy is E1 and the other one is having E2. So when for a normal system in state 1 n1 particle are there and in state 2 n2 particle is there. So when there is a single quantum emission into the reservoir occur, so that time your form eigenstate 2 n2 becomes n2 minus 1 and n1 becomes n1 plus 1. So that means there is a change of particle, means one particle come from state 2 to state 1. Fine. So we have to find entropy for this system and then entropy for this system, and then we can able to find the change in entropy for two-level system. Fine. So for this system, for this first system, the entropy was given by what? S equal to normal entropy, suppose S1 K log omega, the probability distribution. So probability distribution for this system will be given by what? Omega equal to total number of particle is n, either nc1 or ncn1 or ncn2. So either of them is correct. So this will be given by n1 factorial by n1 factorial n2 factorial. Fine. So S1 will be k log n factorial by n1 factorial n2 factorial. Fine. This is one. And for system 2, S2 will be given by k log omega. So here n1 changes by n1 plus 1 and n2 changes by n2 minus 1. So in place of n1 it will be n1 plus 1, in place of n2 it will be n2 minus 1. Simply we can replace by n1 plus 1 factorial and n2 minus 1 factorial. Fine. So this is 2. So next, change of entropy will be given by delta S S2 minus S1. So k log, so we are using the property of log, so it will be n factorial by n1 plus 1 factorial n2 minus 1 factorial divided by, this is it, n factorial divided by n1 factorial and n2 factorial. Fine. So here n factorial and n factorial is cancelled out, so we are left with k ln n1 factorial n2 factorial n1 plus 1 factorial and n2 minus 1 factorial. Fine. So here k log n1 can be written as n1 factorial, this can be written as n2 into n2 minus 1 factorial. Fine. And here what you can write, here you can write n1 plus 1, is it? N1 plus can be written as n1 plus 1 into n1 factorial, and this will be remain as n2 minus 1 factorial. So these get cancelled, and here n1 factorial and 1 factorial get cancelled, so we are left with k log n2 by n2 plus 1. So this can be written as k n2, sorry, this is n1 no? Yeah, so n1 plus 1 can be written as n1, right? So n2 by n1. So this is the change for two level system, change in entropy for two level system. Similarly for reservoir, so here we have seen the particle has transferred from this eigenstate 2 to eigenstate 1. So in that process there is a change in energy is released. Fine, delta E, some energy is released to reservoir. So for that purpose our delta S for reservoir will be what? From formula we can use delta S, delta Q equal to T del S. Fine, or delta S can be written as delta Q by T, or delta Q can be written as delta E by T, or E2 minus E1 divided by D. So this is the expression for change in entropy for the reservoir. Now we have to derive the Boltzmann relation for the ratio n1 by n2. So here now we have entropy change for the two level system will be how much? Two level system is k log n2 by n1. This is for two level system. Okay, and for reservoir it is given by delta E, that is E2 minus E1 by T. Fine, so this is one system, one isolated system. So whatever changes in entropy occurs here in the two level system, that is, if we add these two S1, suppose this one S1, this one S2, this is for two level system and this is for reservoir. Fine, then this will be equal to 0, as whatever the changes in entropy in two level system will be equal to minus of delta SR, change of entropy in reservoir. Fine, so what is that? K log n2 by n1 for reservoir. Fine, let me write is A. So minus reservoir entropy change in reservoir is this, so we can replace by E2 minus E1 by T, or we can write it as log n2 by n1 minus E2 minus E1 KT, or we have to find the ratio of n2 by n1. So this can be written as E raised to minus of E2 minus E1 by KT. So this is the Boltzmann relation, is the Boltzmann. So what's the Boltzmann relation? Fine, for the ratio n2 by n1. That was our third question. So thank you very much.